Hey guys, do you have this kind of annoying stretch mark on your leg? Or do you have anywhere on your body like on your arm? Do you have this kind of stretch mark? Has it been giving you a concern? Don't worry. Today I'll be showing you how you can use bio oil. The things you can mix with bio oil to get rid of stretch marks. Can you believe that this is my third pregnancy and you can see no stretch mark on my tummy? It's because of the bio oil. It has helped me a lot. When I'm pregnant, I'm always religious with it. I apply it almost every time. So let's get right into it. The first thing you will need is Blue Seal Vaseline, not any kind of Vaseline. If you don't have Blue Seal Vaseline, the next option is to get original shea butter. If you don't have original shea butter, the next option is cold pressed coconut oil. Okay, these are the best three carrier oil you can use. It's either you use Blue Seal Vaseline or original shea butter or cold pressed coconut oil. Okay, so first you will start by adding a pot on the cooker, then go ahead and add water. Bring the water to boil, then you go ahead and place the Vaseline into the boiling water. This is to help melt the Vaseline. Okay, I don't like using microwave to melt it. I feel like it kills the nutrients in it. That's what I feel. I feel like using double boiling method is the safest way to melt your coconut oil, shea butter, or Vaseline. Okay, so this method is the safest way you can use to melt it, right? But some people would prefer to use microwave. But I'm just trying to tell you that this is the safest method you can use to melt it. Go ahead and keep on breaking the Vaseline so as to help it melt very fast. Guys, we are using Vaseline because it's very good to the skin. Original Blue Seal Vaseline helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to lock in moisture to the skin. It helps your skin to achieve this supple glow. Okay, so when you have stretch mark and you continuously apply Vaseline on the stretch mark, at times you will see the stretch mark beginning to fade away. One thing you have to know is that you cannot completely get rid of stretch mark without undergoing a cosmetic surgery, but you can apply something on your stretch mark that can help to fade away the stretch marks, that it will look as if you don't have stretch mark anymore, but it's there. But just that the stretch mark and your skin will now rhyme. Okay, so here now I'll go ahead and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the bio oil, which is the main deal. You have to use bio oil. Why I added all these things to the bio oil is to help to boost the effect, right? So after adding the bio oil, the next thing you have to go ahead and add is turmeric. Yes, turmeric is also good to the skin. Turmeric helps to clear acne. It helps to get rid of dark spots. It helps to heal the skin. So go ahead and add small amount of it. Why I added small amount of it is because I don't want it to stain when I apply it. Okay, so with this amount I added, it will not stain my clothes when I apply it on the body. So the next one here is to go ahead and add vitamin E oil. If you don't have this type, you can use the capsule one. It will still do the work. So after that, you go ahead and mix it very well, so for everything to combine properly. After mixing it, then it's ready to be used. For this treatment, guys, you have to be religious with it. Apply it mostly at night before going to bed. With time, you will begin to see your stretch marks fading away. Okay, so this is how you apply. Just take some amount of it, go ahead and massage it into your skin. Massage the places you have the stretch mark. It will help them to like fade away, like the stretch mark will begin to rhyme with your skin, that it won't be obvious you have the stretch mark. Okay guys, so for the remaining one, you have to add it into container and leave it. You can use this for 1 month. Yes, you can use it for 1 month. The preservative in the bio oil will help to preserve it. Okay guys, so once it cools down, it will solidify, but that doesn't mean it's not good. It's still okay. it will solidify because of the Vaseline. Yes, so that's it. Add it into a very clean container and cover it. After bathing, you go ahead and apply it. So this is how you can get rid of stretch mark. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. I will see you in my next one. For now, bye.